Greetings, car fanatics. This is my 2008 Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and it's kind of famous on the internet because everyone says this is a lemon. Well, I've had an issue with the front wheel over here. It is really discolored, and I've tried to scrub off whatever is on it, and I haven't been able to get it off. So based on my research, I think I have some iron contamination, which really embeds itself onto the surface and creates this chemical reaction. So you really can't get it off through scrubbing. So today we're going to be trying out the Turtle Wax Rapid Decon Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover. I got this on Amazon for about 15 bucks. It is one of the cheaper iron remover wheel cleaners on the market. Let's see how well this works. So according to the directions, we want to give this a nice shake, spray it all over the wheel and let it sit for 2 to 4 minutes, and then clean it all off, and hopefully it takes off all of this contamination on the wheel. Alright, so as we can see here, it's already starting to work. This purple color is the chemical reaction. Apparently that's iron that's coming off the wheel, and it hopefully will look a lot cleaner, but I still have some yellow. I want to spray a little bit more of the cleaner on, and let's see if we can get rid of this yellow tinge to the wheel completely. Alright, so I coated the wheels twice with the cleaner and I let it set for about 5 minutes, and it got some of the yellow off but not completely. And if you look at all of the iron that came off, it looks like a murder scene under here. I should have probably put a box or something like that to avoid staining my concrete over here, but we'll see if I can get it out just spraying it with some water. But let's go ahead and apply another coating here to see if we can fully get rid of this yellow tinge. Alright guys, so I applied the cleaner several times to the wheel, and I have to say the wheel looks a lot better. I didn't show all of these scrubbing, but essentially the wheel cleaner was able to get a lot of this stuff loose, but it wasn't coming off completely. I had to pull out a Brillo pad to scrub the wheel. This yellow stuff seems to be coming off. Now I know the Brillo pad is abrasive. Whatever is stuck on my wheels, it's more than just iron. I think it's really embedded into the clear coat of the wheel. However, I can say that this wheel cleaner has been able to get the wheel a lot cleaner. It's also been able to loosen this up enough for me to remove it with the Brillo pad over here. Now let's try to get off the rest of the yellow by giving it a scrub. Alright, car fanatics, here is the finished product. Overall it looks a whole lot better, but there's still a little bit of yellow right along there and some spots over here. I think the Turtle Wax Rapid Decon Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover did a pretty good job. However, in my case, my wheel has been discolored for about 2 years, so everything was really caked on, so it had a hard time just getting everything off. I think if I would have maintain my wheels with something like this regularly, it would have been a whole lot easier to get all this stuff off, and everything wouldn't have gotten so baked into the clear coat like it did with my wheel. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. It's going to hold me by until I can refinish my wheels professionally. Well, thanks for watching, car fanatics. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave me comments or questions below, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. And if you're interested in getting any of the products used in this video, take a look at the description below and in the comment section where I'll leave links. Thanks for watching.